Okay, everybody, so the past couple months I've been working on a project here and there. I'm trying to get it over for my son's birthday party coming up. We're going to be going up in the mountains, and all he wanted to do is go camping for his birthday. So I thought, hey, I'll try to get some things working here. So, sure enough, things don't start when you first try things out, so gotta fix it. So what I've been working on is this guy right here. 98 Kawasaki. So this guy just hasn't been running, so I just figured it's just been sitting for a while. I had to replace a few things. Let's see, on it we've got a new starter in there. We've got a brand new carburetor put in there. This little guy right here, this guy right here was leaking. This on-off switch for the gas, so I replaced that. I got that new. Had to wait a while to get all that stuff in the mail. Had to order it all online. Too expensive to go to the dealer. This guy right here, the starter solenoid up in here, got that guy replaced. And so today, very happy day, because after getting all that stuff found, there's some wires that were some loose too, and wasn't clicking over still after I replaced all that stuff. Found there were some wires that were going to the starter from the solenoid, and that stuff wasn't even going very good. I see how to replace the key. We lost the key, so we got that whole doodad replaced. I mean, that's an easy thing to get going. So, got that gone, got that on. Let's see what we got here. Started pretty good. Other than that, gotta get off the trailer and try the clutch and see how well that works, see if I need to replace any of that stuff. If not, hey, guess what? Good to go. Bye, guys.